going a lot bigger. I have read some comments of you guys, and you want to see me cut open a lock. Actually, I'm going to do that right now. This lock right here is, as you see, is locked up. I'm going to do a twisting on this one. But first, I'm going to see how hard it is to cut open a lock. And maybe I might twist it open first. So, this is the one that I extracted the core from. So, let's get started. Keep in mind that this is very dangerous, and, well, I'm holding it because it's more likely what you might do in the field. So, here's my drill, here's my cutting wheel, and I got spare ones up there. Turn it up. Now let me stop real quick. It only took me a few minutes to get that deep. So, I'm going to keep on going, and we'll see the end results. My bad on that one, but I make extremely good progress in just a few minutes. Now, I'm going to keep on going. If a fire were to happen here, keep in mind I do have precautions, and I will get some water and put out the fire. The fire will be low risk, so I do not need a fire extinguisher. Just simple water. Let me pause the video real quick. Alright, I'm back. This little deal got a little too tight on my Dremel, and it stopped it immediately. So, let me resume. If anything were to happen to me, someone call 911. Not again. Be right back. Alright. Let me keep on going. Oh, I did a little bit of something off camera. I think I might be able to access that one a little bit right there and start the next cut. So, let me get started. That shackle is now fragile, so let me get started on our side. I'm also going to use a number 3. I'm going to cut that one open, but that would be a separate video. I might post that one today too. That video, I will do it because this one's already pretty long. And my wheel still looks pretty new. I hope you guys don't do this at night. It's gonna leave a huge signature. So let me try something real quick. See if I can get this lock open up without it. Nope. So Okay, on. Alright, sorry if stuff was off camera. I wasn't focusing on it. I was mostly cutting the log. So if the video kind of is not on camera, you're hearing it loud and clear. That's definitely weakened. Now let me get my trusty hammer out, and I'm going to try to break this open. There's one side. The other side appears to still be a little bit stronger, so I'm going to just cut it right off. I can feel it giving. And it has give. So let's try it again. Or I could just use my hand. Well, there you have it, guys. Bunch of bronze shackle, and it is indeed hardened. So I'm going to get a case hardened lock, and I'll do it in this video. So be right back. Alright, I'm back. I'm going to set my trusty M5 to the side. And, oh, by the way, guys, the shackle is great to break open a window. At that point, and this according to this timestamp, I could have this lock picked open, and maybe picked it open several times. It might be the same case with this one, so let's find out. If this is quicker, then, well, then I'll be surprised, and I might just cut open all the locks I find. Oops. Give it a second. Right back. Oh, yeah, that left cracked open too. That flew off.